Stay quiet, Luna. Something's out there. UFOs?
Really? You've been out here too long, Vela.
Tell that to the beam about to toast us.
Whoa. Okay, maybe you're onto something.
In chaos, unity shines brightest. Zia, get that crate! Luna, light the way! On it! Just don't let that beam hit me.
Is it gone?
For now. Let's not stick around to find out.
Next time, let's investigate somewhere less.
Deal. But admit it, this was kind of fun.